My dear viewers, today discuss element, compound and mixture based on icse class 8 part 1. Part 1 discuss only for the very short type question answer. At first discuss write T for true and F for false. Question number 1. Decantation is the best process of removing tea leaves from tea. This statement is false. Okay. Next question, number 2. A mixture of milk and water can be separated by sedimentation and decantation. This statement is wrong. That is false. Next question, question number 3. The preferred methods to remove clean water from a basket of muddy water is filtration. This statement is true. Next question, question number 4. Evaporation is used to obtain salt from seawater. This statement is true. The preferred methods to remove clean water from a basket of muddy water is filtration. This statement is true. Next question, question number 4. Evaporation is used to obtain salt from seawater. This statement is true. Next question, question number 5. Compound are impure substance. This statement is false. Next question, question number 6. An alloy is a homogeneous mixture. This statement is true. Okay. Next question, question number 7. Saving alloys for particles to remain in the sieve while the bigger impurities pass through the sieve. This statement is false. Okay. Next question, question number 8. Sedimentation is followed by decantation in the separation of solid liquid mixture. This statement is true. Next question, question number 9. A centrifugal is used to separate very fine insoluble solid compound from a solution. This statement is true. Next question, that is question number 10. The chemical symbol of argon is Ar and that of platinum is Pt. This statement is true. Next question type, fill in the blanks using the correct word. Number 1. Pebbles and stone can be separated from sand by saving and winnowing. That is answered saving. Next question, question number 2. The methods used by farmer to separate lighter husk particles from heavier seeds of the grain is winnowing and picking. Answer winnowing. Okay. Next question, question number 3. Hand picking is a method to separate dash mixture, solid or solid liquid. Answer solid. Next question, question number 4. That is, the mixture of ice, flow and husk can be separated by threshing and saving. That is right answer, saving. Next question, question number 5. Stones can be separated from pulses by hand picking or saving. Right answer, hand picking. Next question, question number 6. A dash compound or mixture is formed when 2 or more elements combine together chemically. Right answer, that is the appropriate words, compound. Next question. Question number 7. The mixture in which the compounds are distributed uniformly are called homogeneous or heterogeneous mixture. Right answer, homogeneous mixture. Next question number 8. The chemical formula for sodium carbonate is NaCO3, Na2CO3. Right answer Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Next question number 9. Filtration is used when the substance to be separated by soluble, insoluble in liquid. The proper word that is right answer for this question, insoluble. Next question number 10. That is, while using a separating funnel, the first liquid to be collected in a beaker will be water or oil. The right answer, that is the proper word, this question, water. Next question, that is question number 11. Common salt is purified by centrifugation, crystallization method. That is the right answer, crystallization. My dear viewers, next question type, choose the correct answer for each of the following. First question, that is question number A substance that contains two or more substances mixed together, each A. Option A, that is option 1, compound. Option 2, mixture. Option 3, element. Option 4, molecule. The right answer, mixture. Next question type, question number B. Which of the following methods is used to clear rice before cooking? Option 1, hand picking. Option 2, sieving. Option 3, winnowing. Option 4, filtration. The right answer, option 1, hand picking. Next question number C. Which of the following properties is used to separate a mixture of two solids by winnowing? Option 1, weight difference. Option 2, size difference. Option 3, color difference. Option 4, all of these. Right answer, option 1, that is weight difference. My dear viewers, next question number D. The process of pouring out of the layer of clear liquid without disturbing the sediment is called number 1, sedimentation. Number 2, evaporation. Number 3, decantation. Number 4, distillation. Right answer, option 3, that is decantation is the right answer. Next question number E. The component of the mixture retained in the filter during filtration is called option 1, residue. Option 2, filtrate. Option 3, sediment. Option 4, effluent. The right answer, option 1, residue. That is option 1 is the right answer. Next question number F. Sublimation can be used to separate a mixture of option 1, sand and ammonium chloride. Second option, sand and sugar. Third option, iron, filling and salt. Fourth option, stone and rice. That is the option 1 is the right answer, that is sand and ammonium chloride. Next question number G. Which of the following techniques is used to separate two immiscible liquids? Option 1, centrifugation. Option 2, separating funnel. Option 3, filtration. Option D, that is option 4, decantation. Right answer, option 2, separating funnel. Next question type, choose the odd one out. Number A, 1, iodine. Number 2, camphor. Number 3, sugar. Number 4, ammonium chloride. That is 3, sugar is the odd with other. B, question number B. Number 1, winnowing. Number 2. Distillation. Number 3. Hand picking. Number 4. Solvent extraction. That is, solvent extraction is the odd with other. Okay. Next, C. Question number C. 1. Saving. Option B. Evaporation. Option 3. Filtration. Option 4. Centrifugation. Option 2. That is evaporation odd with other. Next, D. Distillation. Centrifugation. 3. Evaporation. Crystallization. Evaporation is the odd with other. That is 3 is the odd with other. Next, E. Sugar solution, coffee, tea, lemon juice. That is, sugar solution is odd with other. Thank you, my dear viewers. Thank you.